Fasting is one of the most effective health strategies for maintaining energy balance, improving metabolism, and supporting longevity, especially for seniors. It can help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and promote cellular repair. However, when fasting is not done correctly, it can backfire, causing fatigue, dizziness, nutrient deficiencies, and other health complications. As we age, our bodies respond differently to changes in diet and hydration, so fasting needs to be handled with more care. Let's go over 7 common mistakes seniors make during fasting and exactly how to fix them for a safer, more effective experience. The first major mistake is not drinking enough water. Dehydration is already a common problem among older adults because the sense of thirst naturally weakens with age. When fasting, especially during longer hours, your body loses fluids through urine, sweat, and even breathing. Without proper hydration, fasting can lead to headaches, dry mouth, muscle cramps, dizziness, or even confusion, symptoms that can be mistaken for hunger or fatigue. The fix is simple. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for about 1.5 to 2 liters, unless your doctor has restricted your fluid intake for medical reasons. You can also drink unsweetened herbal teas or water infused with lemon or cucumber for variety. If you sweat a lot or live in a hot environment, adding a pinch of sea salt or electrolyte powder to your water can help maintain balance. Staying hydrated will not only make fasting easier, but also help your kidneys and digestion work better. The second mistake is fasting for too long or too aggressively. Many seniors try to copy long fasts seen online, 24-hour, 36-hour, or even multi-day fasts, thinking more is better. But extended fasting can cause low blood sugar, fatigue, irritability, or dizziness, especially in older adults who are on medications for diabetes or blood pressure. As you age, your liver's ability to store glycogen, your body's quick energy source, decreases, which means long fasts can quickly drain your energy. The solution is to start small. Begin with a 12-hour fast, for example, from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., and slowly increase to 14 or 16 hours if your body tolerates it well. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting a fasting plan, especially if you take medications that need to be timed with meals. The third mistake seniors make is breaking the fast with the wrong foods. After hours of not eating, your body becomes more sensitive to food, especially carbohydrates. Eating high-sugar or high-fat foods right after fasting, like pastries, fried foods, or processed snacks, causes a sudden spike and drop in blood sugar. This can make you feel lightheaded or extremely tired soon after eating. It can also increase inflammation and interfere with digestion. To fix this, break your fast gently. Start with something light and balanced such as a handful of nuts, yogurt with fruit, or a smoothie made with greens, fruits, and a protein source like Greek yogurt or protein powder. After 30 to 60 minutes, have a proper meal with lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Good options include grilled chicken with vegetables, salmon with brown rice, or a vegetable omelet with avocado. The fourth mistake is not getting enough nutrients during the eating window. Some seniors mistakenly believe fasting means eating as little as possible, but fasting is about when you eat, not starving yourself. When you reduce meal frequency, it's even more important to make sure each meal counts nutritionally. Many older adults don't get enough protein, vitamins, or minerals, especially calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and B12, all of which are essential for strong muscles, bones, and brain health. The fix: focus on nutrient-dense foods. Include colorful vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, lean meats, fish, nuts, and seeds in your meals. For those with small appetites, nutrient-packed smoothies or soups can be a great way to get more nutrition without overeating. If you have difficulty meeting your needs through food alone, talk to your doctor about possible supplements. The fifth mistake is ignoring warning signs from the body. Some seniors push through dizziness, weakness, or trembling because they don't want to break their fast. But these are warning signals that your blood sugar or blood pressure may be dropping too low. Ignoring them can lead to fainting, falls, or other complications. The fix is to pay close attention to how you feel during fasting. If you notice symptoms like confusion, shakiness, sweating, or blurred vision, it's time to end your fast immediately. Drink water, then eat a small meal with easily digestible carbohydrates like fruit or oatmeal. You may need to shorten your fasting window or adjust your eating schedule. Fasting should make you feel lighter and more focused, not sick or weak. The sixth mistake is not getting enough rest or sleep. Quality sleep is essential for hormonal balance, muscle recovery, and mental clarity. Fasting can mildly stress the body, which is part of how it triggers repair processes, but that stress becomes harmful if you're not sleeping enough. Lack of rest raises cortisol, the stress hormone, which can slow fat loss, increase blood sugar levels, and make fasting feel much harder. The fix is to maintain a consistent sleep routine. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night. Avoid caffeine late in the day, keep your room dark and quiet, and engage in relaxing activities before bed such as reading or gentle stretching. Proper rest helps your body handle fasting more efficiently and reduces the chances of fatigue or irritability. The seventh mistake seniors often make during fasting is not including physical activity. Some believe fasting means complete rest, while others go to the opposite extreme, exercising too hard without eating. Both approaches are problematic. Without some level of physical activity, you risk losing muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. On the other hand, doing intense workouts while fasting can cause low blood sugar, dizziness, or muscle fatigue. The fix is to find balance. Gentle exercises like walking, yoga, stretching, or light resistance training are perfect during fasting hours. You can save more intense workouts like swimming or gym sessions for after you've eaten. Staying active helps preserve muscle, boost metabolism, and support better heart health during your fasting journey. There's also an often overlooked factor: not individualizing your fasting plan. Every senior's body is different. Age, gender, medications, and medical history all affect how fasting impacts you. What works for one person might not be safe or effective for another. For example, someone with diabetes may need shorter fasting windows and meals that prevent blood sugar dips, while another person may do well with 16-hour fasts. The best fix here is personalization. Keep a simple fasting journal. Note when you start and end your fast, what you eat, how you feel, and your sleep quality. Over a few weeks, you'll notice what works best for your body. You can also consult a dietitian who specializes in fasting or senior nutrition for tailored guidance. To summarize, fasting can be incredibly beneficial for seniors, improving energy, digestion, and mental clarity, but only if done safely. Avoid dehydration by drinking enough water. Don't fast too long or too often. Break your fast with nutritious foods that stabilize blood sugar. Eat nutrient-dense meals during your eating window. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Maintain good sleep and engage in gentle physical activity. Finally, make sure your fasting plan fits your unique health needs. With these adjustments, fasting can be a safe, effective, and energizing part of senior wellness. When done right, it can support healthy aging, protect the heart, improve metabolic health, and promote a sense of vitality and control over your well-being, without the risks that come from doing it the wrong way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss another simple science-based tip to keep you healthy, strong, and full of life. This is Dr. Promise, reminding you to keep living the very best of living.